welcome to Ford Creations. My name is Ashley and today I'm working in Cricut Design Space on a Lucky Clover shirt. One of my goals this year was to learn how to use Adobe Illustrator, so I signed up for a course and this is one of my first designs that I made with Adobe Illustrator. Change the size of the shirt to 7 by 7 inches since it's going to be for a toddler. Next, I will need to group the design. I'm going to attach the layers that are green so they can cut in on the same mat, and then I'm going to repeat the same task for the dots. That's it for the design. We'll click Save and Make It. On the Prepare page, it shows the order and size of the image you are about to cut. We are using HTV for the shirt, so make sure to click Mirror Image. We'll click Continue, and next you will see me how I'll assemble the shirt. I'm going to slowly weed out the vinyl. For the shirt, I'm using glitter vinyl for the green outline and EasyWeed for the black dots. I have my heat press set at 315. To get the moisture out, I will press it for 3 seconds. For the first layer, we'll press for about 5 seconds. Make sure to add your Teflon sheet or parchment paper before pressing. Next, we're going to place the second layer on, and then I'm going to press for the full 15 seconds. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and also consider subscribing to be a part of my growing crafting family. Have a great day, guys.